I know some people, they would die for me. We run together. They're my family. When I get up.
Hi guys, good evening. See, I'm so tired. Today is the next day, which is Monday. That Obi came back from Nigeria. He came yesterday, which is Sunday. Back yesterday, and I spread everything on the floor just the way I showed you guys. Diana, the noise maker. You just finished eating. Mind yourself. I spread everything out yesterday, and this morning I've started arranging. Obi has gone to work. This week is in afternoon duty, so he left home around 1. Jasmine was crying, guys. Jasmine was crying. She was saying, "Daddy, don't go. Daddy, don't go. Daddy, daddy." I said, "See this one, no." She thought her father wanted to travel again, so she thought he will not be back like for a very long time. Like, this girl is already having trust issues. Her father was saying, "Look at, I'm going to work. Look at my shoes. I will come back in the night." Jasmine was crying because she missed her father so much the last time he traveled, so she don't want him to leave again. So Obi will be back 10:30 or so. Right now, this kitchen I arranged is looking messy. I'm about to go to my friend's place, Jennifer. I'm going to her house. I want to go and share some of the things Obi brought with her. So I want to start bathing the kids. They just woke up like afternoon. They took their afternoon nap. So they just woke up. So I want to bathe them so we can go. I just finished feeding Diana. I am still not done, you guys. See all these ones you are seeing here. Let me increase the brightness. All these ones you are seeing here, I'm not done. I will arrange all of this and sweep this place. Hey, Diana. Hey, Diana. I'm coming. So I'll just like keep all of this. I don't know where to keep this egusi. This one is egusi. I don't know how to preserve it and the ogbono. All these ones here, I want to put them in the freezer, and that is the oil. So the rest, I'll just take care of all of this. I've really like washed this what's it called? Tiger nuts and the uloka. I don't know what uloka is called in English. I really like down them. This one is suya pepper. So what was this? Okay, Coca-Cola. I will see you guys later. I feel to sleep, guys. I'm tired. I feel to sleep. Who get picking no the rest? My husband always creates time to bring the kids to the park, especially Jasmine. And Jasmine loved this particular garden because it's so peaceful, it's not crowded, there are lots of game and activities to do. So as they were playing, I decided to be doing my TikTok videos with Diana. So I just decided to share with you guys.
They're my family. When I get up.
Cook with me, guys. Yes, I know you guys have previously seen the clip where I prepared stew. Yes, since my husband came from Nigeria, a lot of food has been on my mind to recreate because of the dry catfish, the dry meat, and whatnot that he came back with. So I want to recreate so many, many food. I don't know if you guys can relate. If you have all of this stuff at home, like me, I would like to like just roll around with different meals, especially those meals that I don't normally do, because if I use what I have here to recreate it, I won't get the right taste. So now that I have all the spices, all the things I need, I am just trying to recreate, and you guys, we are enjoying it. I saw comments in my last video that you guys want. Don't worry, I will share with you guys. Come to my house. Come to my house. I'm not greedy. Anyways, enjoy this video, cook with me, and I'll see you in the next clip. So I'm going to just run water over my meat. I brought everything out from the freezer, so I'm going to defrost it and soak it before I wash. Then I'm also going to do the same with the dry catfish and the bonga. Time to add my seasoning. I added 1 cube of Maggi salt, curry, thyme, and I stirred it a bit. And I also went with Spicity, the one for stew and jollof. I just added a bit. And I added this, my dried onions. If you don't use dried onions, I don't know what you are using. Oh. This is my all-time favorite. So I just went ahead to wash my bonga. You guys that love bonga, how do you guys do it? I'm not a fan of bonga, but I just love the taste it gives to stew or soup. But there's nothing in it and it has too much bone. How do you guys even manage? I would prefer it to even blend it down to put in my food directly. Anyways, I went ahead to wash the other fish, which is the dried catfish. My husband no one see this thing. Those ones that have wood or the head, he doesn't like to see it in his meal. So I always try my best to remove the head. The one that have stick, I will remove the stick. He will tell me he doesn't even want to eat it. He just need the taste. So I should not put everything like this. You know, there are some people that will wash it like that, just rinse it and they'll put it, including the head, the steak, everything inside soup. Hey, my husband do not want to see it in his food, though.
I know some people they would die for me. We run together. They're my family.
So it's time to add all the catfish and the bunga, everything I washed. So I'm just going to put everything inside the sauce. It's just a small sauce for maybe just 1 day or two. So it's not much. So I'm also going to be adding all the meat. This is the dried meat my husband brought, and some of the meat I had in my freezer. So I just put everything inside and stir. So I turn on the other gas so I can put water for spaghetti. So I need to boil the water first before I put my spaghetti. Some of you put the water and the spaghetti together. That is wrong. So I just added a bit of salt in the water. I'm about to parboil for the spaghetti. Sorry for this dog noise, you guys. I'm tired of my neighbor and their dog. Anyways, after the water have parboiled, I'm going to put my spaghetti inside. Hey, I'm sorry for you Italian people that don't like breaking spaghetti. Oh. I have toddler and she likes to eat spaghetti this way, not those long ones. So I always break my spaghetti. I know Italians can behead me for this because they don't like people breaking spaghetti. Mona carry and go that side. My sauce is ready. You can see that it's well cooked. Because it's sweet tomatoes, I always leave it to cook very well. If not, it will give you those biting taste. So is well cooked and it's not much, just like I told you guys before. So Diana woke up in between my cooking time and she was crying. So I had to feed her with this biscuits and milk. She has been rejecting her milk of recent. She doesn't want to eat it. So I've been struggling with that because breastfeed alone cannot satisfy her. Anyways, she's not doing so bad, but there are some meals she will not accept. There are some she will accept. There are some that I will need to force her before she will start taking it. So it's not really easy with feeding her solid. I know some of you will be wondering why I did not put her on a high chair to feed her. If I put Diana in that high chair, she won't be accepting the food from me. She'll be spitting them out. So carrying her this way as if I want to breastfeed her, I'll be putting the food in her mouth and she will be swallowing it. But if she's sitting down, she will easily pour them out. So after feeding Diana, I went to finish up my cooking process. So I needed to drain the water from the spaghetti and put the spaghetti back on the pot, then to the fire. So you guys, if you don't know, I once worked at the restaurants here and there are different ways we prepare spaghetti. So this is one of it. Yes. So now the spaghetti is ready and I'm going to serve Jasmine first because I'll wait for my husband to come back before I eat. Yes. So I'm going to just serve Jasmine and yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. Diana turned 8 months old, and this is one of the outfits I bought for her for her swim years during summertime because I bought a lot of swimwear for her, but we did not use it because we didn't go to the beach or pool again. So I decided to wear her for a photo shoot.
Diana, how are you? Diana is 8 months old. See you, Mama.
You guys, I've not really showed you guys how this space looks like since we threw, or rather I threw all those shares that was everywhere. So this place looks a lot more calm and spacious. So it's very easy to clean. I even told my husband, you know, we are house hunting for a very long time. So I told him, even if we get a new space, of course, we are not going to carry everything that is in this house to that new space. I don't need a lot of properties. I know I'm the one like looking for properties before. That was when I was single. But you see now, I don't want. I don't want because these children will almost make you run mad. So when the place is spacious and scanty, you can be able to like arrange, sweep, do whatever you want to do easily without getting to worry about anything. Let me show you guys this part of. So normally Diana is always playing here. Oh my god. All these pillows you are saying, I would have threw them away the day I threw those chairs away that I asked them to come and pack it. But because of Diana, I had to reserve all of this because when she is on the floor here, I will put all these pillows to guide her so she won't fall down. Or when she fall down, she will not hit her head on the ties. They are sleeping by the way, and hubby will soon be back. I've been busy because Diana turned 8 months today. This outfit just came. It's for Jasmine. My husband does not like walking into a scattered place. So I'll just have to arrange. By the way, it's been raining since morning. Since around 4, it's been raining. These are toys for Jasmine and Diana. I'll pack them up. Let me just throw them in that place. I'll pack them up later. You see this part of the kitchen? It should just be like this for now. I want to focus on cleaning this floor first because Obi will soon come home. I don't want him to meet this place like this. He won't be happy. I don't know if I told you guys that Obi has been sick since he got back from Nigeria, to the extent that he had to run a proper test and scan. He went to see the doctor and they asked him to run a scan, of which he did, but unfortunately I can't share that with you guys because that is his own private life. If not my own, I don't paste the result for on front. But they said everything is fine anyways. Guys, this ties is gummy. I'll be sticky. It's sticky. Jasmine poured oil on the floor yesterday. Her father was the one even cleaning and mopping. Upon all the mop we do for this house yesterday evening. This tiles is still sticky. This is Jasmine's book. Jasmine don't know how expensive books are. That's why she's throwing them everywhere. I need to trash this. Guys, there are some things that has been happening around me, but sometimes I'll feel like, should I speak about it? Sometimes I'll just be like, no need. This is my area. Eh? Some people are really crazy. There are some things people will do. You will just know that they want your life, or rather, they want to just be in your position. I don't get anything. No, not beside I get something. I don't get anything. But the competition here for our blacks is very crazy. Honestly, it's so crazy. I don't want to speak much about it, Sha, but it's very crazy how people like talk down on what they really want so bad. They want your life so bad, but they are not getting it. Then they'll start being envious. Although I not get anything, I'm not rich, but I am contented with whatever I have, and my little happy family, we are happy. You guys, you don't know how happy I am with this space in my kitchen. You guys saw when we were arranging bags when my husband wanted to travel to Nigeria. All this place, chair here, it was too much. I couldn't bear it. When Obi came back, he was like, hey, you would have left one chair. And I said, which chair? Leave which chair? I don't want to. Everywhere. It's so tight. So clean the house will be a problem because you won't even know where to start from. This kitchen that is not even that big. How many minutes you are supposed to be done cleaning? But because of too much properties inside, you will be there turning around. You guys, do you like jam-packed space or you like scanty space? Because right now, if you ask me to choose, I prefer a very open space. I don't need any jam-packed space again. I don't need property because cleaning is very difficult when everywhere is jam-packed. I'm done cleaning, guys. But I need to mop this place, but I will do it off camera because it seems my microphone battery is down.
I know some people. Thank you for watching.